Do you want to know how you can log into your UI Chat AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your UI Chat AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for UI Chat AI login. Scroll a bit down and you can see this link. Go ahead and click on it and it will lead you to this sign up page. Now if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create yourself an account. Write down your information like first name, last name, email address, password and then click get started for free and you can sign up for UI Chat AI. If you already have an account, go ahead and click login. It will take you to this login portal. Now what you need to do is write down your email address over the box here and then write down your password over here. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click continue. This way you can successfully log into your UI Chat AI account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this eye icon over here. In case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover it. Or if you want to ignore all of this and want to sign in with Google, there is this chance, so you can go ahead and click sign in with Google. This login portal will open up, select your Google account and then click continue to sign in to Chat AI or UI Chat AI. In a while, you will notice that you will be logged into your UI Chat AI account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Chat AI, also known as UI Chat AI account, was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.